Welcome to our GPU Showdown. Today, we are comparing two powerful graphics cards. The PowerColor Hellhound Spectral White AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT and the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 Ti. Both cards boast 16 gigabytes of memory and target different segments of the gaming market. Let's dive into their features and see which one comes out on top. The PowerColor RX 9070 XT excels in raw rasterization performance, making it ideal for high-resolution gaming. It handles 1440p and even 4K gaming with ease, thanks to its robust architecture. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE RTX 5060 Ti shines with its advanced ray tracing capabilities and DLSS 4 support, providing a more immersive gaming experience with enhanced visuals. While the RX 9070 XT is a powerhouse for traditional gaming, the RTX 5060 Ti offers features that enhance gameplay quality. When it comes to pricing, the PowerColor RX 9070 XT is positioned at a premium price point of $749, reflecting its high-end capabilities. In contrast, the GIGABYTE RTX 5060 Ti is significantly more affordable at $429, making it a compelling choice for gamers looking for value without sacrificing performance. This price difference highlights the RX 9070 XT's focus on enthusiasts, while the RTX 5060 Ti caters to a broader audience seeking a balance of performance and cost. The PowerColor RX 9070 XT features a premium Hellhound cooling solution with a triple fan design, ensuring efficient thermal management even under heavy loads. This allows for quieter operation and better performance during intense gaming sessions. Meanwhile, the GIGABYTE RTX 5060 Ti employs a dual-fan WINDFORCE cooling system, which is effective but may run warmer and louder under load. The compact design of the RTX 5060 Ti makes it suitable for smaller builds, while the RX 9070 XT's size requires more space but offers superior cooling capabilities. In conclusion, both the PowerColor RX 9070 XT and the GIGABYTE RTX 5060 Ti offer unique advantages catering to different types of gamers. The RX 9070 XT is perfect for those seeking raw performance, while the RTX 5060 Ti provides excellent value and advanced features. Depending on your gaming needs and budget, either card could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.